So this is a pretty cool store in Costa Maya, Mexico. It is the chocolate factory. It's free to go in. Of course, they do sell chocolate. But while you're in here, they actually have a museum, which is the history of chocolate. And let me show that to you now. It's just a quick walkthrough. I think you guys will enjoy it. And there's no charge to come in here. It shows the old-time chocolate machine. Again, this is a free little museum for you to walk through. There's all the, I guess all the ways you can make chocolate. I certainly don't know how to read that. Those equations. But all the things they've used to use over time in the chocolate world. Even an old typewriter. I'm not sure how that has to do with chocolate, but okay. They do have little chocolate demonstration shows here in this little room. There's none going on right now. And this is the port of Costa Maya, Mexico. We started coming to Costa Maya many years ago. It seemed like for a long time ships weren't stopping here. But now, they are back. Another chocolate room with a demonstration of the cocoa trees. And of course, little Mayan village down here underneath. This is the Mexican Riviera, home of the Mayans. At this port, you can also see lots of Mayan ruins as well. But we're right here at the port. You don't even have to leave the port to see the chocolate factory. And again, it is totally free to come in here. And even a little bird cage with no bird. Let's come through here. Got a little hut here. And one more little room that shows you the exhibits. And if you want to pause your video, I'll go over each one of these boards so you can take a look and read them. And again, you can scroll back if you want and pause on each section. Hopefully you guys can see them well enough to read them. And then it comes out to a nice little area where you can buy fresh Mayan chocolate. Window's a little fogged up because it is hot outside and it's air conditioned in here. But it is a very cute little shop, and unlike a lot of places, there's no pressure to buy anything here. Nobody's going to hassle you trying to get you to buy their stuff. And again, it's totally free. So this is the chocolate factory here in Costa Maya.